to share my achievements which I got in 2020 in the last year. The first achievement is when I got admission in Government College Lahore, which was my joyful moment because I am the only child to study out of Balochistan, because I belong to Balochistan. I belong to Balochistan. The second achievement, when I become a part of this renowned institution, Qasim Ali Shah Foundation, I hope this institution will make my future. In addition to achieve all these achievements, you have to work hard. Without work hard, you can't achieve your achievements. At the last, I will quote it one line: hard work beats talent. Talent when the talent doesn't work hard. Thank you.
Bilal Nasir, and after Bilal Nasir, Mohammad Sakleen Babu.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.